Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'm going to share with you how you can transfer crypto from Robinhood to Coinbase, to your Coinbase account. Now, it's not possible right now at this moment when you would read their FAQ. At this time, we don't allow users to transfer the existing cryptocurrency assets into our Robinhood account. There are a few reasons for this. This is like excuses, like keeping Robinhood crypto safe, secure service, blah blah blah. No one cares about it, right? So Robinhood won't allow you to do it. What you need to actually do, and I know that this is like unlucky situation, but you need to sell it. In the moment when you sell, you need to pay taxes, or if you are not in the profit, you won't pay taxes, of course. And then you need to go to a different exchange with your fiat money, and then invest into Coinbase. So this is pretty much how we do it. And that's the only way how we can do it at this particular moment. So if you are thinking that, oh my god, I will just transfer it from my Robinhood account to my Coinbase account, it's not possible. So keep in mind this, that this is the only way how we can do it. I know, I'm sorry about it. I know it's harsh, but Robinhood won't allow you to it for this particular moment. Maybe in the future they will allow it, who knows. But right now, you can't. So see ya.